Cheers to my first ever Louis Vuitton purchase. Hi everyone, it's Morgan. This video is so exciting for me. I am unboxing my first ever Louis Vuitton purchase. Now, I'm a huge handbag girl, purse girl. I love all of that. I have like a huge collection. I have a couple designer bags, but nothing super crazy. I've never been able to just go out and like buy a really expensive bag, and Louis Vuitton is definitely expensive. But about a week ago, I went to the Louis Vuitton store for my first time ever, and it was so exciting. I've never had an experience like it, so I literally like walked in and I was in heaven. I was like, wow, this is great, this is amazing, I'm not used to this, I love this, whatever. I wasn't expecting to like go in and buy like a really expensive bag. I knew that like wasn't on the table for me, but I went over and I was like, you know what, let me start with something small, a little Louis wallet. How cute could that be? Like, I really want something like that. Start off my collection. Like, I've wanted a Louis Vuitton for so long. I don't know, I just don't have that money to go spend on it. But I was there, I was looking, I had it in the budget to do something small. It was a big decision. I like asked the guy to lay out so many different things. I walked in with like a clear picture of exactly what I wanted, and like I was just on a mission. And I figured I had to open it on camera because this is a moment for me. This is very exciting. I will be getting a bag one day. That day was not last week, but someday in the future. So this is my adorable little bag, wrapped ever so nicely. I love it. I'm literally going to save this bag because I'm very excited and I'm just so happy for it. I love how they literally even put my receipt in this cute little card, okay? This is my receipt. Like, how cute? Okay, how cute. You know they're treating you well when your receipt is in a full-on envelope. So this is amazing. I just had to show you this. This may not be new to you. This may be new to you. I don't know. But this is adorable. Come on. Okay, next. The real thing. So inside here, this cute little bag is a box. A freshly wrapped box with this cute little bow. Oh my gosh, how cute. I literally am obsessed. Like, I feel literally like a queen. I received this and I was like, wow, you did that for me. You did that for me. I know they do it for everyone, but I just felt so special, okay? I'm literally just so grateful. Like, I don't know if you understand how excited I am, but I'm so happy I was able to make this purchase. If we take the bow off, I've literally been waiting to open this thing so hard, but I knew I wanted to film it. Okay. Oh, amazing. Oh my gosh, there's even a cute little thing here. I did not even realize that's how it was gonna open. We just have this, and it slides. It slides right out. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I love this. Look at this. And it's in its own little dust bag. To be honest, since it's just a wallet, I didn't think they were gonna put it in like a whole dust bag, but they did that. They did that for me. They were like, Morgan, the best for you. You deserve a dust bag. I'm like a sucker for dust bags. I don't know why. Like, because I love purses so much, when they come with like a nice dust bag, I think it's cute. It's like, yeah, this thing should be protected. So if we take it out of its little box, I'm saving the box. Oh my gosh, the little dust bag. Literally, how precious is this? And the final moment. Oh my gosh, so cute. Literally, oh, so cute. Oh, wow. This is like the littlest thing, and I'm actually freaking out over it. Wow. No words. Anyways, it's just this adorable little envelope style wallet. I love it. I love the envelope style, and I did want the logo for my first purchase instead of like the checkered. I wanted the classic logo, just a classic Louis, like very, I don't know, classic. That's just the best word. It obviously just has all the classic card holders. It does have a big pocket behind there. And then there is slots under the card holders as well. And then on the side there is a little zipper compartment too, which I do really like to keep things in the zipper compartment. Little like cards and rewards things if I'm not using them and they don't deserve like a spot in the card holder slots, but I want to zip them away. Oh, and in the little card holder we have this QR code. I don't know what that's for, but also this little tag, Louis Vuitton, coated fabric, cowhide leather lining. And then this is the other side. I'm literally so excited about this. Wow, I've been waiting for the day. One day I will get like my dream bag from there, and I can't wait, but it was great. And when I walked in, I wasn't for sure like set on buying something. I was like, I don't know, I'll see what they have. Like, I kind of know exactly what I want if they don't have it here. maybe I won't get anything, and I really like this one a lot, and it was like a big decision. I was taking forever to decide because that's just how I am, and my friend was in there with me and she was like, Morgan, you work your ass off, like just buy it. And I was like, honestly, you're right. I do. I'm not gonna sell myself short. Like, I work so hard at my 9 to 5, like I'm doing really well in my job. I also put so much work in my YouTube channel. Like, I work hard and I deserve something like this, especially when it's something that I've been wanting so long. And Louis Vuitton, come on, that brand, amazing. This is my first ever little Louis purchase. There will be more in the future once I can make that happen. And I just had to show you. I had to unbox that on camera because this is so exciting, and wow. I like can't wait to switch all my things over. You don't understand like how hard it's been to wait to open this on camera because I didn't buy this just today. Remember, I said like last week, and I just haven't had the chance to film it, and here we are. I'm very grateful, thankful, I appreciate it, and cheers to my first ever Louis Vuitton purchase. I know this was a short and sweet video, but I really wanted to open it on camera, and I don't know, it was just such a cool experience going to the store because I don't have one near me like at all, so it was cool that I actually got to go to one in person. I've only ever seen things online, so I just felt like a little queen in there, and I want to go back. Thank you so much for watching this little video. Please leave it a like if you liked it, and a comment, and subscribe if you want to see more from me, and I'll see you in my next video.